you don't need a full desktop setup to be a social media manager. Let me break down exactly what I do. Just using my cell phone, which what I'm using to film right now, my iPad and my laptop, and how I manage multiple clients by dividing my task across each devices. If I had to choose only one device, I would choose my cell phone. I started my journey to become a social media manager, get a client, learn social media management and freelancing using my cell phone. And I build a business using my cell phone without my laptop or even my iPad, just a cell phone. And I know you can do that too. On cell phone, you can do everything. And here are the things that I do as a social media manager using my cell phone. I can create content ideas. I can create or edit content, especially in editing videos or reels. I'm comfortable using my cell phone in editing reels. Why? Because even I am lying in my bed, I can edit video. While in my laptop, I can't even comfortably edit video while lying in bed. Using cell phone as well, I do engagement, stories, edit content. It has graphics. I can edit content using Canva in my cell phone because I have Canva app. What work I do that I am not using my cell phone is meetings. Of course, I prefer my laptop to use whenever we have client meetings, also the planning. That's why, here's what I do on my laptop as a social media manager. First is the content planning. I am very comfortable using my laptop when it comes to content planning because I clearly can see the whole calendar, the content calendar of my client in Notion. I can easily add content ideas. I can easily brainstorm there using my laptop because it is big, because it's very to use when it comes to content planning. Also, creating reports, analytic reports is very easy to edit or analyze analytics using laptop because it is a huge screen. And another thing is the Google Drive. Since I am organizing content of my clients in Google Drive, it's very easy to use my laptop to organize those things. Yes, I can actually use my cell phone, but it's very small and very difficult to move all of the contents that I need to move on specific folder. That's why on this laptop, I just have to drag every content that I need to move and put it there. Easy peasy. A reason why I need laptop, it is because it is very easy to manage multiple tabs and meetings very comfortable. Actually, you can do everything that I have mentioned in your cell phone. It's just that it's very difficult for you to do that. Because I started this journey just using my phone and I did everything using cell phone, which is very possible as well. So on my iPad, what I do on this iPad is only edit contents for clients when my phone is full storage. Most of my clients, I do content editing and my cell phone is my personal cell phone as well that I use to capture everything for travel, for my dogs, and like everything that I need to capture. It's only 128 gig. That's why I really need to use my iPad for content editing for other clients, especially editing my YouTube content. I am using my iPad because it is a long form video that requires huge storage. That's why I need my iPad. Another thing is for engagement. I have clients that is project based, only do engagement. Since in one device, we are able to open 10 accounts or log in 10 accounts on Instagram. And since I have more than 10 clients, I need to log in some of the accounts here on my iPad because I can do that on my phone. That's why I need my iPad to log in those project-based clients that I need to engage so that whenever I am doing engagement for my client, I am not using my cell phone but rather use my iPad. Obviously, you can do anything on your cell phone even you don't have an iPad. It's just that I need to expand the devices that I am using because I am handling multiple clients. But again, you don't need these devices if you have your cell phone that you are comfortable using and comfortable doing every social media works. Because again and again, everything is possible if gugustuhin mo talaga. kahit mahirap siya. Kasi when I started or when I have that first client, I'm only using cellphone. It's very difficult to meet with your client using small screen. I can't even see in very clearly way what she looks like, and I can't multitask while we are in the meeting. Then I want to check other tabs. I can't do that because of course I need to grab my phone and do typing, and it's very weird when I do that during meeting. That's why as much as possible, if you have the capacity, have your own laptop, but it is not mandatory if you are comfortable doing everything in your phone. And at the end of the day, it's not just about gadgets. It is all about the work that you are willing to do using your phone, because I just manage my full-time client using my phone. And yes, I am encouraging you to start being a social media manager even you don't have laptop, iPad, or whatever gadget it is. If you have your phone, go ahead, girl, and start doing it. I have lots of videos here. Feel free to watch it, and I will see you there.